We completely thought we'd just be able to get on their side and just completely knock them over and be okay. As it turns out, that was not the case.
Yeah, we went into it with the idea that, like, if these guys can drive, we're in trouble because that weapon is going to just tear us to bits. Because 40 pounds swinging at that RPM, there's not much that's going to stop it.
We're Missouri State University, and our robot is bear punch. Our strategy was try and get to the side of them and get their center of balance off so they would fall over. And after that point, they wouldn't be able to function anymore.
There was no fixing. It was go to second frame. It was destroyed. I mean, it basically could be recycled in the state it was in because there was no way we were going to really be able to bang it back out.
Now pronounced 50. First round we took a pretty good beating from the other bot, and as you can see here, our frame got pretty much torqued out of commission, and so in the past hour and a half we've done a complete frame transfer to our backup frame, and aside from shells and batteries, we're ready to roll again.
I think we've got a good chance. I mean, we swapped everything out. We're 100%. This bot is no different than that one.
Adam and I spent hundreds of hours in the CAD programs working out the frame so that each joint put together. And the first time we put it together after the frame was water jetted, it slipped right in, and that was because of the CAD work.
I used the stress relief tool in Autodesk Inventor to test the forces on the actual frame of the robot. I tested to make sure we could take direct front impact and direct side impact, and it generally shows exactly how the frame would torque if it were to take impacts in certain directions. I found Autodesk Inventor is most valuable when it comes to making assemblies of multiple parts. I could take pre-manufactured parts and draw them, or pre-made drawings are already there, and I could take all those parts and put them into a single assembly and take those pre-manufactured parts and put them together and know if I have enough space, if I have enough weight. I can use the weight analysis before I ever have to weigh a sheet of steel. The most unique thing about Autodesk Inventor that I've used so far is the actual construction of the frame on our robot. You can see I got all my cross members in here, and I was able to color them in different color codes and different materials so that I can get the removable pieces, the steel pieces, the aluminum pieces. I can get it all in one place and see it all and how it'll interact. The other thing I did was I used the rendering tool to make beautiful pictures for our sponsor packet so that I could just send them something really pretty that they could see before we ever built the bot so we can get some funding and some materials.